How to add location on Facebook page in 2021. That's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. So firstly, what you have to do is you have to open your Facebook app and if you are on the home page, you have to click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and then you can uh, come to this page. And for the iOS user, you can when you are on the home page, you can click on the three horizontal lines. You can see the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner. You can click on this, and then you come to this page, and here you can see the pages option with the flag like icon. So when you scroll down, you can see the pages option. Click on the pages. After that, you have to open any of the pages that you want. So in my case, there is only one pages, so I open this pages and this page. And here you have to, when you can see the your username. Under your username, so you can see this drop down arrow. So when you swipe to the left, you can see the more option. Click on the more, and you have to scroll down, and here you can see the edit page info option in the page control tab. Click on the edit page info, and when you are here, you have to scroll down, and here you can see the location. So scroll down till you see the location tab, and you click on the location on a street address, and here you have to click on the add a street. After entering the street, you have to click on the save button in the bottom of this page, and then you can save the change, and then you can do this process with all these option. You can add city by clicking on the add city. You can click on the search bar, and then you can search for your city by clicking on the search bar, and here you can start typing your city. So in my case, I am typing your city, and here you can see that in my suggestions there is my city. Click on the your city, and then you can click on the save button in the bottom, and then you can also add zip by clicking on the add zip, and you can enter your zip by you can, this is the letter, this is a numerical letter. You can add it, enter your zip code, and after that click on the save button in the bottom. And here you can see I have also added the zip. You can also add the map location by clicking on the add map location, and you can click on the continue, and then you can choose the whatever place that you want to add the map location. So let's see, I add this place to my map location. I add this place, and then you can add, and then you can click on the save button, and here you can see that your changes is saved. And then you can add the service area, and then you can also add the service area by clicking on the add service area, and then you can search for a neighborhood, city or region. So you can search it. So let's see, I search my city, and then you can search it, and then you can click on the save button in the bottom, and here you can see you have updated all the location services or settings. So that's it, that how you can do this. So when you go back here, you can see the you have add the location. So that's it, that how you can do this. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works.